Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how to fix the file is too large for the destination error. Now, this usually happens when you're trying to copy a large files like a video, game file, or backup onto a USB drive and it suddenly won't let you transfer it. So even if your USB has plenty of space, you will still get this error, which can be really confusing. But don't worry, this is actually a very common issue and it's super easy to fix. So, the reason this happens is because most USB drives are formatted using something called FAT32, and FAT32 has a file size limit of 4 gig. So, any file bigger than that simply won't copy over. So, to fix this, we're going to change the format of your USB drive to something called NTFS, which supports much larger files. So, here's how to do it. So, first, open up the File Explorer on your computer. Now, once you open File Explorer, go to this PC at the bottom. Then in here, you can see all your drives. Next, find your USB drive in the list. Once you see it, right click on it. Now, from the menu that pops up, click on Format. So, a small pop up window will appear. So, this is where we can change the file system. Now, look for the option that says File System. Click the drop down. Now, by default, it will probably say FAT32 or exFAT. Now go ahead and change that to NTFS. So click on NTFS right here. So you can leave everything else as is, but make sure the quick format in here under format options. So make sure you check this one so the process is faster. So before you continue, just a quick warning, formatting your USB drive will erase everything on it. So if you have important files, make sure to back them up first. Once ready, just click on Start right here to format the drive. So once you click Start, your computer will now format the USB drive. So this usually only takes a few seconds to a minute. And once it's done, you'll see a message saying the format is complete. So go ahead and close that window. Now try copying your large file into the USB drive again. For example, even a file around 10 gig or 14 gig should transfer with no problem. And that's basically it. That's how you can fix the file is too large for the destination error. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.